Hello, Ava.
Hello.
What do you love doing?
I love cutting. I love to stroke bunnies.
There are some services that are an absolute gift to review, and Epson ReadyInk is one of those services. It's literally changed my life. I'm so disorganised. I shouldn't really say that, but really disorganised in terms of household things, and ordering ink when the computer ran out was always one thing that I could never remember to do. And the worst day was when we got last minute Olympic tickets for London 2012, about 9:30 the night before we were going, and the printer had no ink in it. And of course we had to print the tickets to take them, which was hugely stressful. So when Epson asked me to review ReadyInk, which is a service that sends out ink when your printer needs it, but it's not like a subscription, so you're not tied in any way, which is brilliant for anyone that is a bit commitment phobic or just doesn't want another thing going out. So you can be really sure that you're only really paying for what you're using. There's never going to be a time when maybe you haven't printed a lot of stuff, but you're still tied into a minimum subscription for that ink. So that is brilliant. And we were sent a fabulous small printer, but it's actually small but really mighty. There are so many things that it can do. You can plug memory card in, USB straight into it, so you can print your pictures, you know, straight from a USB. It's so cool. And also there's an app so you can print remotely from your phone as well. So they really have thought of everything, because my hubby likes to print things from his phone because he's not always attached to a laptop like I am. So that's really cool that he can just do that from his phone, and I of course am attached to my laptop the whole time, so I can print from there too, which is brilliant. And the photo quality of our printer is brilliant. So I love taking pictures, and to be able to print them out, really good quality photo paper, and printing on 8x10 is right from my home is good, because again, I kind of forget to order pictures as well, so that's another thing to bear in mind, that solves that problem for you. But I really can't recommend the ReadyInk service highly enough. It's a lifesaver for the disorganised, and even if you're organised, it will organise you even more, so you don't have to think about it. You literally hook the printer up to your account, and when it senses the levels are low, it will trigger ink to be sent to you. And then you just go and get it from your letterbox. So it's perfect, really. Low maintenance service with no subscription. What more can you want? Hello, Ava.
Hello.
What do you like doing?
I like cutting and printing out some paper.
What else do you like doing?
I like helping my mummy.
Oh,
Jobs.
shall we print something?
Yes.
Okay, let's go and print some of that really cool paper. Okay, so we go into here, don't we? And then you can pick your pattern if you want.
What can I swipe?
Yeah, let's press that button there. So that's the colourful one you had the other day. And then there's stripy, spotty. And it prints out planner pages, diaries, all kinds of things. And you know what happens when the ink runs out?
No.
It just tells the ink people to send more ink. We don't have to go to the shop.
Well, I can see it's coming.
We don't have to go to the shop. We don't have to remember anything. We don't have to be without ink. Don't pull it out. Have to be really patient.
I'm gonna put on the print 10 ones.
You're not printing out 10. What are you going to do with them when you've got them?
I'm just gonna cut around.
Cut round them.
Yeah. I got the snowflake one, and then this is it. Isn't it, Mama?
So I have so many work things to print out, so many different things for different projects, and also my husband does a lot of back and forth travel, so we have stacks of tickets and things like that to print out as well from his side. And then we also have things to do with homework for Ava. She loves printing things out and cutting around them and doing all those different types of things that kids like to do. And a great thing that you can do on the Expression printer that we were sent is print documents that are stored in the printer. So for example, there's different coloured and patterned paper, there's planners, all kinds of things to help you organise your day. Ava loves printing out the coloured paper, and just print her a few of those and she's in her element. So that is another real good bonus for the printer that we were sent to review, as well as the service. So having these extra things that the printer can do and print out just makes my life a little bit easier. I can literally just print out a coloured bit of paper and she's happy. So we love the Epson ReadyInk service, and we couldn't recommend it highly enough to all types of families, whether you're slightly disorganised like us or super organised. It can only help you.